Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Vanque model number V3603 impact wrench cordless brushless. Big shout out to Vanque for sending us this tool to see if it works or see if it doesn't work. Like we always do, they are not paying us for this video, they're just sending us the tool. So guys, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Specifications: model number V3603, charger input voltage 100 to 120 volts, battery voltage 20 volts, no load speed 0 to 3000 RPM, impacts frequency 0 to 3600 IPM, impacts per minute, max torque 3000 inch-pounds, driver anvil a half an inch, changing time 60 minutes, that's probably charging time. So net weight 3.97 pounds, battery weight 0.55 pounds. We got measurement 7.67 inches by 2.5 by 6 inches. It says power display reverse switch. This is Vanque on the side. So we got the instructions. We got the charger. So this is the Vanque. It says see bottom of the charger for warning markings. It says charging or charged green, charging red, hot, cold delay, blinking red, and two connectors there. We got Vanque 24 lithium ion charger, 100 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 55 watts. Output 21 VDC, 2000 mA. Says charge only between 40 Fahrenheit and 105 Fahrenheit. Allow battery pack to cool before charging. Looks like a battery, and it is a battery. Alright, so we got a 20 volt 2 amp hour Vanque battery. It says lithium ion. You do got 1, 2, 3, 4 connectors. Positive, negative, C and a T. This part's plastic. This bottom part is rubber. All this black bottom part is rubber. The green part is plastic. Do have a quick lock type release. You do have a fuel gauge here. It says you got two bars. So we'll put this on the charger. Looks like we got some sockets. 19, 15, and these are indented, by the way. So quality seems to be fairly, actually pretty good. 21, one's 10, 13, 12, 17. We do have an extension. So this is, I would say, a 5-inch extension. And we do have like a 3-inch extension. And we have a rubber grommet here. Alright, we got another extension. Maybe this looks like a 12-inch extension. I don't know exactly what that is, what the size is, but yeah, it looks like a 12-inch extension. We got the tool itself. V3603 brushless impact wrench. We got 20 volts, 3000 inch-pounds, or 3600 IPM. Or you got 0 to 3000 R per minute, so revolutions maybe. Risk of injury, let's see what else. No serial number. You got a nice trigger. I really like the trigger. I don't know what this is, if it's painted or just looks like it's painted. You do have some oil there on the top, and all this black part is rubber, by the way. All this is rubber. Alright, we got brushless on the bottom. We do have some modes here. It says I don't know if you guys can see that, but you do have high, low, maybe the battery percentage. We got switch button that says brake stop. On the bottom we got 3 different connectors. We got something for the lanyard there on the back. Alright, so let's pop this in. So once you pop it in, it lights up high and low. So you got 2 different speeds. The lights go off even if you press the button, so you do have to press it. And then low, high. It's on low right now. Sounds pretty good. A lot of air movement there. 3 pounds, 5.3 ounces. Alright, so we're on high. Let's take this off. Taking it off. Alright, on high we got 33.3 foot-pounds. Zeroed out to 100 pounds. Alright, 104 pounds. Alright, so I took it off. Put it back. Alright, we're gonna go to 120 foot-pounds. 120 foot-pounds. 121 foot-pounds. 8 foot-pounds. Alright, it did it. Took a while, but it did it. Let's go to 130. Alright, we're up to 136. It did it. I don't know what's... It's actually doing it faster, which is weird. So zero it out. We're going to go up to 150 foot-pounds. Alright, we're 151.2. The friction ring, it doesn't hold up. Maybe this is just a socket, but it did 150 foot-pounds. Still 100, yeah, 160. 160.8. I know, I pulled it up a little bit higher. So 173. I think we're reaching about its max. It's turning. Let's go to 200. All right, so 200. It's really hot out here, so we're just gonna go to 200. Why not? If I can't do 200, we'll go down 10. All right, we're at 203.9. It did it, but it took like half an hour. All right, guys, let's go up to 230. I'm just gonna go 230. I'm not gonna bother. I will be surprised if it actually makes 230. And then if it does this, we'll go all the way to 250. All right, 234.3. Did it, guys. I'm surprised this thing's able to do it. This thing's hot. All right, so 250. That's what the label says. Let's do 249.7. 256.6. This is maximum for this tool. So we're about done with this tool already. We're done with that tool. Stick this in here. It did it, guys. It did it. I am very surprised what this thing can do. Guys, don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube works. Apart from my subscribers and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.